Nose. Nose being a central part of our face has lot of prominence, a lot of importance today. Every day I get a lot of patients requesting for some change in their nose. So what is this? Can we really change a nose which you're born with, and is it necessary? So a surgery done on nose is nothing but rhinoplasty, or commonly known as a nose job. Now, rhinoplasty can be functional or only aesthetic. When I say functional, that means normally a person may have some amount of nose block, difficulty in breathing. In these kind of cases also rhinoplasty is done. Whereas aesthetic is when a person doesn't have any problem as like doesn't have any breathing difficulty, but doesn't like his or her nose shape for some other reason. Then we call it aesthetic or a cosmetic rhinoplasty. Now, rhinoplasty is done generally under general anesthesia, done as a day case surgery. That means patient gets discharged at the same evening, can go back home. Recovery typically is say 7 to 10 days. Now, for what purpose generally rhinoplasty is done? Rhinoplasty is generally done for a crooked nose, deviated septum, a flat nose, the bridge of the nose is very low, or a nose hump. So all these conditions we can do a rhinoplasty. So basically when we do rhinoplasty, we like to divide the nose into three parts: the upper, the middle and the lower. Now the upper nose is basically nothing but the nasal bones. The middle part is nothing but the upper lateral cartilage, and the lower nose is nothing but the alar cartilage, that is the tip. So all this, depending on what a patient is looking for, we can change. But the problem comes is almost all patients request for a nose or for some celebrity or some other nose. But one needs to understand, nose is not a separate part. It is a part of your face. Your cheekbone, your forehead, your chin, your lip, all this will determine what kind of nose shape will look good on you. So I always suggest a patient not to go for artificial or unnatural results, but to opt for something which is in harmony with the rest of the face. Now, if you have any more doubts about rhinoplasty, you can always contact us at Pink Apple Aesthetics.